the middle of filming the free video tutorials for the brand new Pfaff Creative Icon 2, and today I was greeted by a great message. That means there's new things coming as the new firmware update is available. Do you want to download and install the update? Now, just like your phone, when there is an update, you can always choose yes, no, remind me later, or no, do not remind me for this firmware version. Now, if you choose yes, you do have to let it do its thing, and you do need to be connected to the Wi-Fi at home. That's why it even knew that this was an option. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Let that start to download. And right now, you're probably going to notice that you could go do some sewing. So while you are getting that downloaded to the machine, it will do its thing and then let us know when we actually need to install it. Once you get it installing, you want to make sure that the machine is not going to be turned off. So if you do turn it off in the middle of an update, there could be some delays or things that you might have to kind of back up and fix. So just know that when you say yes, but you really can do some sewing while that is downloading. We're going to let the download progress work here. It's kind of this little small button at the top that we could go and check. And once it's completely downloaded, it will ask me if I want to go ahead and install it. So we'll let it do its thing and we'll come back for the update. The new firmware has downloaded and it asks me yes, install and automatically restart the machine, or not now, install at the next power on. I'm going to choose yes because I'm ready to do that. You'll see the machine kind of start to go through its update process. Keep the machine on. You're going to see it kind of blink. That's the lights of the machine going off and on as it should. And when we come back, we're going to have all new things to show you on this machine. So make sure you don't turn the machine off, and I'll meet you at the finish line. Our update is complete, so let's go ahead and go back into the machine, and I'll be looking for some of the newest things that have been downloaded. I see one thing already that is new. Check out all the MySewNet blog projects that you can follow along. There's free designs in here. There's information how to make creative new reflective letters. These projects are going to change, so if you see something here that's not on your machine, you will have new things in its place. Any updates, any other cool new things that have been added or have been announced. Hey, look, there's even information about the new Pfaff Admire Air 7000 serger, so we could go in there. But if you're looking for anything or see anything with embroidery, you will find that the designs are going to be right there at your fingertips that you can download and keep. See that little link at the bottom? It says download designs, and you'll be able to keep these even if this particular blog is no longer there. But if you're looking for something fun to do today and you have no idea what to work on, the information that will be available to you with the ever-changing MySewNet blog right on your machine is a great place to start. Wow, just look at all the possibilities.